although our driver was like, why are you going there? It is nothing as per the temples which are there in Odisha. But because my relative, she has told me to go and visit this, so that's why I came here. So this is just like this structure which has been broken and बहुत ही खंडित मूर्तियाँ दिखाई दे रही हैं यहाँ पर. तो पंडित जी से जब पूछा तो बोल रहे हैं कि ये मुगलों ने तोड़ दिया था. ये देखिए ज़रा, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है मगर ये है. तो अब हम इस दरवाज़े से जब अंदर जाते हैं, इवन जो द्वार में बनी है वो भी खंडित हैं. As if only the lower part portion is here. So what he has told, Pandit ji is telling it's very old temple, and
you can see the very oldest temple, and 64 Jogin means all are form of Parvati and Durga, and each Jogi has a different names, different vehicles, and 64 different hairstyle, and 64 different necklace design, and all are destroyed by the
Mughals and all that, so bad.
And you see the first name, and mainly this temple made for only Tantra Puja here. Tantra is
Achha,
black magic, sacrifice, blood donate. And you can find specially Ganesh. There's a lady Ganesh ji here.
Lady Ganesh ji here.
Female form of Ganeshi.
Female form of Ganesh.
बेटा हम चाहेंगे तो नाम भी बता देगा आपको.
ऐसा है. He is very right in stating that.
नाम चाहिए.
नाम 64 किसका? 64 इनका. सो इस वाले में ही ये महिषासुर को जैसे वध नहीं,
चर्ची का स्टैंडिंग ऑन डेमन.
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट आइए इधर से बोल देते पूरा.
ठीक है.
रिकॉर्ड करके रख लीजिए. ये देखिए, ये पहला नाम है चंडिका स्टैंडिंग ऑन डेड बॉडी. This is Tara standing on dead body. This is Narmada standing on elephant. This is drinking blood. Jamuna tortoise. This is Mananda lotus. Varuni standing in water. Gauri iguana. Indrani elephant. This all are female form.
Okay, female
form.
form.
बराही buffalo. रक्तवीर जो असुर को मारने के लिए माँ दुर्गा ने 64 रूप लिया था.
Okay.
Okay. And Padmavati snake. This is Vestagriva camel.
अच्छा.
Vaishnavi owl. This is Panchavarahi pig.
पंचवराही on pig.
This is Badyarupi drum.
Okay.
Chachika demon. This is Betali fish. Chinnamasta human head. This is Vindhyavasini mountain.
ये हमारे गांव में मंदिर है विंध्यवासिनी का.
जड़कामिनी मेंढक frog. This is Ghatawari lion holding elephant.
On the lion holding elephant. Okay.
This is Kakorali dog.
Okay.
Saraswati standing on snake. This is Virupa standing on waves. And this is Kuberi, wife of Kubera, standing on 7 jewelry pot.
Okay.
जो धन की देवी है.
हाँ, कुबेरा.
This भालू की bear face flower tree standing on tree.
Okay.
So Narasinghi, you know Narasingha. Narasinghi is lion face standing on flower. Viraja lotus. This is Bikata Nayana. His furious eyes is broken.
Okay.
Mahalakshmi lotus. This is Kumari peacock.
Okay.
And locally known as the main chief of the temple, name is Mahamaya Durga. She has 10 arms, just standing on lotus. God bless you.
धन्यवाद पंडित जी.
Okay. And Rati standing on Kamdev.
Okay.
You know Kamdev also so Karkari crab, Sarpa size, cobra face, broken.
Okay.
Jasa standing on stool. Ghora goat.
Okay.
Is a Rudrakali crow.
Okay.
Was a female form of Ganeshi.
Okay.
Ganeshi Vinayaki standing on donkey, not mouse.
Okay.
Vindhyavalini mouse. As a Piro Kumari lizard.
Okay.
Maheswari bull. As Ambika mongoose. As Kamakya hen. Chandrakanti standing a lion is a Buddhist hairstyle. 64 different hairstyle. Stuti sandal pot. Stuti
Okay.
standing on sandal pot. This is Kali standing on Shiva. So Uma, other name is Parvati, standing on flower. Is holding cobra.
Okay.
And Narayani standing on clay pot. Samudri conch and Brahmani book is Jwalamukhi standing on cot bed के ऊपर है.
हाँ.
So Agnihotri, Agni means fire, standing on ship bed. Aditi standing on parrot. This Bagalamukhi is पलंग के ऊपर है.
Okay.
Swaha standing on a yak. This Chamundeshwari standing on musket deer holding lion skeleton body, very powerful goddess.
Okay.
Maruti deer. This Ganga crocodile. So Dhumavati duck. So Gandhari donkey. Around 60.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
And this mandap name is Chandi mandap.
Okay.
Chandi mandap have 4 yoginis and 4 bhairav.
अच्छा.
Bhairav means form of Shiva. This is Kal Bhairav.
अच्छा, काल भैरव.
Okay? This is holding Dambru. This is Tantric lady.
अच्छा.
So Ekopad Bhairav, one leg, Ajikpad Bhairav.
अजिकपाद भैरव. Okay.
And this is a Unnat Bhairav, Astang Bhairav.
Okay.
And this is a Rudra Bhairav. Bhairav is a male figure. Huh?
Okay.
And 61 is missing. Somebody stolen.
अच्छा.
Sarva Mangala.
सर्वमंगल. हाँ.
बहुत सालों पहले. 62 Ajita, deer.
हाँ.
63 Surya Putri is horse, standing on horse, son of daughter. And 64 Bayu Veena is deer.
अच्छा.
And outside Navadurga Nainika Tayeni as like a Jogini, so guardian of the temple, and 2 gatekeeper Jaya Vijaya, and both
On the
side.
both
has
side.
a
यहाँ पर ना
Chandamund,
चंडमुंड.
the 9th century का temple.
9th century. Okay. 9th century. चंडमुंड. और ये जो ये पर यहाँ पर है द्वारपाल जैसा.
Jaya Vijaya.
जया विजया. अब ये टेम्पल आधा तोड़ा गया है क्या ऊपर से?
टेम्पल ऐसा ही है.
ये टेम्पल ऐसा ही है.
टोटल भारत में 4 टेम्पल है.
हाँ जी.
उड़ीसा में 2 है.
हाँ जी.
इस गांव का नाम है हीरापुर.
हीरापुर.
इस भौमवंशी पीरियड में राजा जो शांतिकर थी रानी हीरा देवी,
हाँ जी.
गांव का नाम है हीरापुर.
हीरापुर. ओके.
और एक रानीपुर झरियल बलांगीर में है.
अच्छा.
और एमपी में 2 है.
तो ऐसा टेम्पल. हाँ.
ऐसा.
हाफ
ये
बिल्ड.
पूरा खत्म हो गया. ये पूरा शिवल. ये जो मंडप देख रहे हैं ना,
हाँ जी.
सूर्य मंडप है.
अच्छा.
पहले जो तांत्रिक लोग आते थे यहाँ बैठ के
ओके.
पूर्व दिग में सूर्य देवता को पूजा करते थे. इसके
अच्छा.
बाद बाहर से नवदुर्गा पूजा.
हाँ.
इसके बाद अंदर जाके 64 जोगिनी पूजा करते थे.